Daddy Monkey Stories. Hold my hand, Daddy, and show me the way so that I can go out in the big world one day. Cheer me up, Daddy, when I'm feeling low. I can always rely on a kind word from you. Dry my tears, Daddy, when I'm feeling sad. Let me know it's okay, and I won't feel so bad. Show me the sunshine, and then set me free to be the brilliant person that you raised me to be. Hold my hand, Daddy, and show me the way so that I can go out in the big world one day. My dear kids, share this poem with your dad to express your love for him and show how much he means to you. Happy Father's Day, my dear kids. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Take care. Bye bye.